This tutorial review will show you how to add new fonts to Illustrator. First of all, download the font. You can install OTF or TTF format. Simply open the font. Click on Install. The font will be installed. Now you can cross this window, and here you can see the font name is Armadillo. Once the font installed, relaunch your Illustrator. Select the text tool. Select your text. Click on this font drop down. Search for the font you just installed. In my case, I'm selecting the Armadillo. So that's how we can add a new font in Illustrator. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Tutorial Review. See you in the next video.